Welcome back. So now we're going to look at the solution to exercise number 4 of the second exercise set. So, similar to task 3 above, write a Python program that prints out the truth table for the Boolean OR operator. Consult the truth tables in here to determine what the output should look like. So again, this will be just like what we've done. We'll just make it look like this essentially, but we need to look at this a figure here to determine what the truth table should be for OR. So there's OR over here. So OR, unlike AND, OR, you can see the third column here, A or B. A or B is true as long as any one of the input values are true. So if you look over here on the left-hand side where we had the AND operator, again, as we said in the last video, AND is only true whenever both inputs are true. That's why the last row here is true, whereas A and B for every other row is false. But for OR, we have false or false is false, false or true is true, true or false is true, and true or true is also true. So that's the output we want for our program here. So what we'll do is we will take the program from here. This is actually the lazy approach. I'm a terrible teacher. Just to keep the video short though, we'll just change the program from before. So we want these are the values that we want to work with. So or, and then all we need to do is change the Boolean operator from AND to OR over here, because we want exactly the same kind of output as we did for the last solution. There we go. So I'm going to say save. So there we go. So false or false. So we got false or false is. So false or false is false or false. False or true is false or true. True or false is true or false. And true or true is true or true. So let's run that. And let's see, is this correct based on the image we saw on GitHub? False or false is false. False or true is true. True or false is true. Finally, true or true is true. Excellent. So that verifies the truth table we saw in the online session the last day. Excellent. So that is the solution to exercise number 4.